Welcome to Hatch, the platform that makes building collaboration simple and seamless. Hatch helps architects, builders, and homeowners collaborate effortlessly, keeping projects organized and work flowing smoothly. Upload and organize all your files, PDFs, images, 3D models, and more without hassle. Mark up files and models in real time with the Collaborative Whiteboard, perfect for brainstorming and feedback. Tag teammates and files to keep everyone in sync. Share updates seamlessly, no matter where you are. Guide your team with the Spotlight tool and stay aligned with the Follow feature, all in real time. Start using Hatch today to transform how you build together.